at work, in traffic, or even in church, when suddenly your heart starts pounding, your chest feels tight, and your mind spirals out of control. That's an anxiety attack, and if you've ever felt it, you know how terrifying it can be. But in the next 3 minutes, I'll be showing you exactly how to stop it, step by step, so you can take back the control fast. I'm Neme, a licensed pharmacist, and I've helped hundreds of people come out of anxiety attacks using simple but science-backed techniques. These steps are quick, safe, and you can do them anywhere. Step 1 is recognize and accept. First, recognize what's happening. The symptoms, rapid heartbeat, shortness of breath, dizziness, and your body's fight or flight response. It's uncomfortable, but it's not dangerous. Tell yourself, this is just temporary. My body is reacting, but I'm safe. That simple shift in thinking can stop your panic attack from escalating. Step 2 is what I call the breathing reset. So the next thing you have to do is to control your breathing. Try the 4-7-8 method. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds. So let's do one together. Inhale, hold, exhale. This particular exercise slows your heart rate, increases oxygen flow to the brain, and also tells your nervous system to calm down. Step 3 is what I call the grounding technique. Now bring your mind back to the present. Use the 5-4-3-2-1 rule. Name 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. What does this do for you? This pulls your brain away from your fears and brings it back to reality. Step 4, gentle movement. Release the tension, roll your shoulders, stretch your neck, shake out your hands. This signals to your body that the danger has passed, helping stress hormones break down faster. And finally, step 5 is the one I call the aftercare. Once you've calmed down, take care of yourself. Sit somewhere quiet, hydrate, and if possible, talk to someone you trust. Anxiety attacks are so exhausting, so give your body time to recover. If this helped you, please save it so that you can always use it whenever you feel panic coming or if you want to help someone undergoing a panic attack. And please don't forget to like this video and share it to friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!